Yeah guys, Kale here from Offroad. Behind me we've got the latest build out of the Atlas shop. This is an F250 Platinum in the antimatter blue. It is the ultimate daily. This thing has stance, it has everything. Let's go have a look. Starting with the wheel and tyre combo on this F250. Maxxis 37, 12.5, 20s with the KMC GRS of the silver and the black lip. They are looking awesome and suits this blue truck absolutely perfect. Now this truck has a heap of custom colouring and chrome deleting. In-house paint booth at EC, making it super easy to give that customer that unique approach. Starting at the front, we've got a little bit of blue hidden in the blacked out Ford logo, guys. Chrome deleted the grille. We've got some body colour through the centre. Everything else chrome deleted and the blacked out the chrome in the headlights. This front end is insane, probably the best I've seen. Let's keep going around the side. Around this side of the F250, 2-inch bushwhacker smooth flares. Yes, they're color-coded LiquidSpring. We'll talk about that in a minute. Color-coded mirror caps, color-coded door trims here, guys. These are actually gloss black. Color-coded door handles. Down here on the tub step, this is normally texture black. We've color-coded this just to give it that unique look. Left a step texture to step on. 2-inch bushwhacker flare again at the rear here, guys, and LiquidSpring. And little feature, we have added a bit of body color blue into the KMC logo. Tinted rear brake light on the rear of this. Come and have a look. Also not forgetting, we've done a little DPF back exhaust system here, guys, just to give it that nice aftermarket look. Ceramic coating on this truck as well, done in-house, so full ceramic coating, making this antimatter blue absolutely pop. Up here, guys, ORI roller shutter. That's all electric, super easy. Now let's talk about the important stuff. Of course, the suspension on this F250 Platinum. Wouldn't have anything else in the world. We all know that. LiquidSpring. This is the 4-inch kit, guys, the 4-inch ride height. Right now it's sitting at 8-inch, so we'll go 4 inches up, 4 inches down to 0. This is now sitting at 8-inch if you want to get up, go through some water, or just look cool in this daily. If you want to lower down and get into the tub, you can press the button and it will go down. If you want to back up to your trailer, press the button and the back will go down by itself. Just the back, not the front. Go up to your trailer and you can hitch up super easy with no winding at the jockey wheel. We've color-coded this LiquidSpring to match the blue theme of this car. Of course, this is the new hybrid kit with the true earth leveling. The little screen in there, guys, or you can control it on your phone. This will level out up to about 3 to 4 degrees. If you are at camp, rooftop tent, and hooking up a trailer, the car will level out at the press of a button. It's super easy. Now, we know we've got a million videos about this LiquidSpring, but we can't keep telling you how good it is. Come and drive a truck today and you can see for yourself. Full hydraulic suspension, no leaf springs, no coil springs, adjusting 1,000 times a second to how you're driving, a compressible silicon fluid with a pocket of nitrogen behind it. This thing drives insane. We just went around a few corners and it was driving like it was on a rail. So LiquidSpring 4-inch in this F250. On to the next one.